Hey garden enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going green, not just with our thumbs, but with eco-friendly gardening techniques that will help you grow healthier plants while being kind to the environment. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these 10 creative and sustainable ideas will take your garden game to the next level. Let's dive right in. Composting your kitchen scraps. Instead of tossing your kitchen scraps in the trash, why not turn them into nutrient-rich compost? Kitchen scraps like fruit peels, vegetable trimmings, and coffee grounds break down into natural fertilizer for your garden. It's an easy way to reduce waste and feed your plants at the same time. Repurpose old containers as plant pots. Before you throw out old containers, think about how they could serve as unique plant pots. From tin cans to old teacups, you can give these items a second life and reduce plastic waste. Plus, they add a unique touch to your garden. Collect rainwater. Water is precious, especially in dry seasons. Set up a rain barrel to collect runoff from your roof. This gives you free, eco-friendly water to hydrate your plants. It's great for the environment and your wallet. Create a vertical garden. If you're short on space, try going vertical. Using walls or fences, you can hang planters or stack pots to maximize your growing area. It's a creative and efficient use of space, perfect for small gardens or even balconies. Use organic mulch to retain moisture. Organic mulch, like straw, leaves, or grass clippings, not only helps retain moisture in the soil, but also keeps weeds at bay and enriches the soil as it breaks down. It's an eco-friendly win-win for your garden. Grow native plants. Growing native plants is one of the most eco-friendly things you can do. They're adapted to your local climate, require less water, and attract beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies. Plus, they're generally low maintenance. Seed bombs are an awesome way to spread greenery in neglected areas. Mix seeds with clay and compost, roll them into balls and toss them in an area that could use some life. It's a fun and creative way to promote urban greening. Want a low-cost, water-saving irrigation solution? Create your own drip system using old hoses or even plastic bottles with small holes poked in the caps. This ensures your plants get a slow, steady water supply directly at their roots, reducing water waste. Invite pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds into your garden by planting nectar-rich flowers. These pollinators are crucial for the environment and will help your garden thrive by encouraging fruiting and blooming. Got old tires lying around? Instead of sending them to a landfill, turn them into raised garden beds. Paint them or leave them as is. Either way, they make durable and eco-friendly planters for vegetables, flowers, and herbs. And there you have it. 10 creative and eco-friendly gardening ideas to help you grow a greener garden while reducing your environmental impact. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow green thumbs, and subscribe for more gardening inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening.